Okay, here is a dash out the door look for you to try. Here's the foundation primer. I start with that, just massaging it into my skin, giving a nice place for my foundation to stick to. I let that dry while I put on my concealer and just kind of tap it in with a sponge and, just get the eyelids to be nice and even. Then a brow liner in this really soft formula. I love this pencil and it's got a precision tip to it. So it's super fine and just doing hair-like little strokes upward will make the brows look very natural. So you can apply a spoolie brush, of course, just to comb out the hairs nicely, let them kind of lie down on your face there. So next up, I put on a shadow. I'm actually going to use just one eyeshadow for this look. So I said it was dash out the door. And one of the tips I can share with you is to apply the shadow when I'm doing this technique and want to do just a little bit in my crease, then you want to make sure to actually look straight ahead as best you can. That way you'll kind of see where to apply the eyeshadow in the best place. And then just soften out any edges with a nice blending brush, just to kind of, blend it all through so it's nice and even there. And then right to the foundation. So this wedged brush really is nice to apply your foundation. I find that I don't have to use quite as much foundation and it just looks a lot smoother when I apply it. And of course that foundation primer when I first put on, that's definitely helping this foundation to look nice and smooth. So cheeks, just little short, small circular motions around the cheek area, making sure that I don't get too far down to my lips or too high up to my eyes. And then the eyeliner. This is my favorite. It is a waterproof liner. It's really super soft. And I love the formulation because it's soft. It will apply really easily. You don't have to pull or tug. And the technique I'm using is something called tight lining, where I'm really trying to just get the color, as close to the base of the lashes as possible. And then I just kind of go over one more time just to make sure I've got it everywhere I want. And then the mascara. So this one is the Fanorama mascara. I absolutely love this mascara. It's my latest favorite. And I love it because it really helps you to just coat your lashes first and then you can comb out, as you see here, and just kind of fan the outer lashes. And it really helps them to make your eyes pop, but it's really a nice formulation. So I love that mascara. And then, oops, I got a little messy. So make sure that you let that dry. Don't try to fix it right away. Go ahead and move on to your lips. If you ever make little mistakes like that, I do like to fill in my lips with the lip liner. That helps to make the lips last longer. And then I applied a little lip gloss on top. So that is what I love to do there and just get a nice little color. Again, this is a dash out the door look, very natural too. And then my favorite under eye corrector. So I apply this just in the shadowy areas underneath my eyes, just to make me look like I've had 8 hours of sleep, even if I have not. So that is my secret to looking awake in the morning. And then using that same under eye corrector, you could even use a concealer possibly too, but I just have it handy, so I'm going to use that. And I like to just put a dot on each side of the eye. And what this does is it's a little trick to help kind of give your eyes a little lift. So it's an instant eye lift that you can do, and just really gently using that sponge will give you that look of an eye lift. And so now we can go back and fix that mascara that now is dry, and it will just flake off super easy with a Q-tip. So that is my bonus tip for you there. Thank you so much for watching, and comment, share, and subscribe.